Hello everyone, my name is Sagar and I hope you are doing well. In this video, we'll see how we can get this, sentiment of our email. Let's understand a scenario. Assume you are an e-commerce website, so most of the time you might get positive response or you might get negative feedbacks. Okay, let's say you are not interested in positive feedbacks because whatever you are doing, it's nice and good. You are only interested in your negative feedbacks and you want to post these negative feedbacks into your team's channel. Okay, so how to do all this using our flow? Okay, so for that, what I'm going to do first, I will create my flow. So let me go to here, automation, instance. I will click on skip here. Okay, here I can say, let me search for Outlook because I will send an email. So my starting will be send an email whenever a new email arrives. Here I can say sc detect email sentiment. Alright, and here what I will do, I will add a filter so that I can easily test it out. Detect. Alright, so here I will send an email, then I need to get my sentiment. So here I have this analyze sentiment. Okay, so here assume I'll be getting my English language only. You can check out other video how you can detect the language as well. I've already created, and here you will get a text. Okay, so let me do this. I will click an action here. Let me search for what we call HTML to text, because when you will get an email, so that will be in HTML format, so you need to convert that HTML into normal string. So here I will pass my subject. Okay, and then here I will get text from this one. Okay, I can come down, I can search for my plain text content. Okay, now once I have all this information, then I may want to log into Teams. So what I will do, let me save it first, and in the meantime let me open my Teams application. Okay, while my Teams is working, so I can click on News tab. Let me search for Teams. Okay, here I can say, go to Teams here. I want to post. Okay, let me select this one. Okay, post message in chat or channel. Okay, and here I will get the option to post. So let me create a new channel here first. So what I can do, I can come here, I can create a new channel. Okay, here I will need to create a team first. So let me create a team first. I will say new team here, and let me call it as Sagar team. And here let me call it as Sagar channel. Okay, here's my team, here's my channel. I will click on create button. Alright, so here it is saying to add few members. So let me add, or let me skip because I don't want any other user. So here my team and channel is ready. So what I can do, I can say that I want to post it into a channel. Then here it will ask me for team. So my team name is Sagar team. Let's see if it is coming here. Yeah, it is coming here. Okay, channel, and I'm getting channel as well. And here I can say, uh, like for example, you can format this nicely, like we have received email. So here I can say that this email has been sent by this user. So I can search for from here. Okay. And then I can say the overall sentiment for this email is. So here we will use this one. Okay, overall text sentiment, like the final. So usually this will provide you three types of sentiment, like positive, negative, or neutral. So here what I can do, I can add a condition here. If my sentiment will be equals to negative, then only I should read it. But for now, what I can do, I can post the message for all type of sentiment, whether it's neutral, positive, and negative. Okay, so let me test it out. But before that, I want to make here two corrections. So here basically I missed E initially, so now I have corrected it. It's detect one. And second thing is here, initially like I passed the what do we call subject here. So instead of subject, please change it to body. Okay. Now I will test it. So what I can do, I already have a positive and negative uh, email like text with me. So what I can do, I can go to email. Here I can send my email. I can put my filter. I can paste my text, and basically it's a positive one. So I will send it. Okay. And at the same time, I need a negative sentiment as well for my testing. So what I will do, I will go here. I will send another email so that I can check outputs for both at one go. And here I will again put my filter, and this one is my negative. Okay. So let me send this. Okay. I'll wait for some time. So my both instances have run now. Okay. Now if I'll go to my here messages, so you can see I have this negative sentiment first because at the end I have sent negative one, and before that I have the positive sentiment posted here. And let me walk you through this one of the run as well, so that like what happens. So initially my email arrives, then I send my text to this HTML to text converter. Okay, so basically it's input. Then at the output, it will simply analyze my sentiment. Here you can see the text. Okay, you need more knowledge. Your source is not good. Please go through basics. Okay. Then here, if you will come here you can see positive is 0. Neutral is 0.01 because it's not a neutral statement, right? Negative is 0.9. So overall, it posted that it is going to be negative. Okay, so it checks all the three types of sentiment, and based on that, it simply post the data into our Teams channel. And here you can see, all right. So that is all about how you can detect sentiment through your email. Thank you for watching this video.